Good morning! Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Let's explore some easy and nutritious breakfast ideas for kids to prepare themselves. First up, a fruit parfait. This colorful and nutritious breakfast is packed with vitamins and minerals. Yogurt, granola, and mixed fruits make a delicious and healthy combination. Next, peanut butter banana toast. This energy-packed meal is perfect for busy mornings. Whole grain toast topped with peanut butter and banana slices is a tasty and filling option. For a quick and customizable omelet, try an omelet in a mug. Beat eggs, add diced vegetables and cheese, then microwave for a delicious and protein-packed breakfast. The classic choice of cereal and milk is always a winner. Kids can choose their favorite cereal and pour milk for a simple and easy breakfast. For a visually appealing and delicious breakfast, try a smoothie bowl. Blend frozen fruits with yogurt or milk, then top with granola, nuts, and seeds for a healthy and satisfying meal. Mini breakfast burritos are a perfect handheld breakfast. Fill small tortillas with scrambled eggs, cheese, and veggies for a tasty and protein-packed meal. Finally, cinnamon toast sticks are a sweet morning treat. Spread butter and cinnamon sugar on strips of bread, then bake until crispy for a delicious and easy breakfast option. Remember, supervision and guidance might be needed, especially when dealing with heat or sharp objects. Encourage your kids to start their day off right with a nutritious breakfast.